Hello guys, welcome to our channel. Today I am going to show you how to post photos and videos on Threads app. Okay, so let's get started. Then first I'll click on Threads app. Tap on plus icon and tap on gallery and choose on images or videos. Then first of all choose on videos and add post these videos. Okay, caption, okay, just tap on post, just wait few seconds, then post your videos and try another and post on photos. Just click, choose on image, okay, then add, then post. That's all to post photos and videos on Threads app. Thanks for watching. Please like, comments and subscribe. Thank you.